how to crop a video on TikTok. You can learn how to crop a video on TikTok in this video. So, the process is pretty simple. Therefore, you must first open the TikTok app on your mobile phone. Then click the plus sign in the middle bottom of your screen beside the shop and inbox. Your camera automatically opens, so you can either shoot a video or just upload a video from your phone. So to upload a video from your phone, just click upload, then select the video that you want to upload. After that, on the right corner of the screen, you click adjust clips and you will be directed to the editor. So just stop the video and you can then adjust, drag left and right, or click split on the bottom of your screen. So in this way, your video will be cropped and this part is the only thing that will be shown on your TikTok. So just click save and next, and then click post to upload it on TikTok. In this way, cropping a video on TikTok is simple. I sincerely hope this video is useful to you. I'll see you next time. Thank you.